I'm Rhonda. My business is RK3 Designs, and we are located just outside of San Antonio, Texas. My creativity, I was born with. I remember being in elementary school and having my book propped up, and I'm supposed to be listening to the teacher, and I'm back there doodling horses running or something. I remember that vividly because I got in trouble for that a lot. But I was always drawing and creating, and so I've always had that creativity. Well, then when I got older, I remember being in college and I painted myself a t-shirt to go to a football game, and somebody wanted to buy it. And I was like, So I painted a few more, and then I painted a lot more. So I started seeing, people want what I paint. That's crazy to me. I was one of these people that would go to a craft show and I would see something and thought, I'm not paying for that, I can do that myself. And I would come back and I would buy all the supplies to do it myself, which would be 3 times more than what the one little thing would have cost me, but by God, I was gonna do it myself. I started getting into, I guess, more of the faux type painting is when I had one of my surgeries on my leg and I wasn't able to do anything. So I painted a piece of furniture and somebody saw it, they liked it, and painted another piece of furniture, and then it exploded. Literally, it exploded of people wanting me to paint the furniture. I started epoxy out of a necessity. I was doing kitchen redos. Then I started having people ask me, well, you've done my walls, you've done my cabinets, now what about my countertops? Well, I knew nothing about anything about countertops, nothing. Go to Home Depot and get laminate, I didn't know. A lot of them didn't want the high cost of the granite and the high cost of the, the natural stones. So I started researching, and I found a lot of epoxy on Facebook and the internet, and I started digging even deeper, and I came across the product that I use, Stone Coat Countertops, and the rest is history. After doing kitchens and doing jobs, we started talking about me now teaching, because I had so many people calling me and asking me, can you teach me this? Can you teach me this? I loved watching people be creative that didn't think they were creative, and watching people have a passion to go to the next step like I did with my kitchen, countertops, or DIYers that wanted to do their own home. I've had horses since I can remember, and I rodeoed. So animals have always been at the root of who we are. We love our animals. They are our passion, deep, deep, deep down in my heart passion. And I love my horses. And then I have my mini ponies, and they are completely worthless as far as producing anything, but they are my heart, and I love them. Because my studio is here on the ranch, people get to come out here to the ranch when they come to the classes, and they kind of get submerged a little bit into our lifestyle. My husband is the backbone of RK3 Designs, but even more than that, he's the backbone of our family. We have a very close family. I've got my oldest daughter, Connie, and my youngest, Kendra. We've built this bond that I'm very proud of as a mom. My husband is literally the reason that I can have this business.
My name's Kenny Draculis. Here at RK3 Designs, I just help and do the odd stuff. I help build countertops. I help Rhonda with installations. I build everything she needs to build.
He also teaches the pro class because I don't build countertops. He's fabulous at it.
She's the artist, and I think that says it all right there. She does a wonderful job at this, and if it wasn't for her, this wouldn't be what it is right now.
And some of these visions that I've had of where we can take this business, and I've had some crazy ones, he's never one time told me no, ever. And he's got some great ideas of where we can go. Inspiration for my countertops comes in tons of different ways. I get inspiration from real stone. I've gone to where they have the live, the slabs and stuff. I've looked at those, I've taken pictures of them, and I've come back and tried to mimic that. Talking with my customer, really digging in and finding out what they want in their home. A lot of people will walk in my studio and they'll see these really wild boards and they're like, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. But when you get down to it, they don't want that in their home. They want something a little more traditional, I guess. But I do enjoy working with them and getting a color scheme because epoxy is so customizable that I can put any colors in it. So you can find me on social media, several platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, RK3 Designs. I have a website, rk3designs.com. You can also email me, Rhonda, at rk3designs.com. And if you're interested in my classes, of course you can email me, but I do have a full schedule on my website, rk3designs.com. I have a calendar on there. I also have a list of descriptions of each of our classes and what they will offer. But don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions and I'll be more than happy to answer them.